Hello, Dave here, North East Gardens, with another 50p hunt. And as promised last week, I said to you, I would do a book update. So here we go. Book 1. Kew Gardens. We need, what's that, judo, football, wrestling. And that's it for book 1. Yeah. We're laughing. Well, we're not now. Because now we're looking for the Coronation 50p, aren't we? So I've still got to find one of them for that book. And the book 2. Latest update. We've got Kew Gardens. Boxing. We need all them. Fencing, football, that one, this one, that one, that one, that one, and that one. But last week we did, was it last week? A couple of weeks ago? Excuse me, energy drinks. A couple of weeks ago we found Taekwondo and triathlon. So, oh, happy Dave there. And likewise with this one, we need the new Coronation coin. So that's your book update. This is today's bag. Post office, sealed bags, Birmingham. Dated 13th of the 7th, 2023. So the likelihood is there's no crowns, Coronation 50p's in this one. So cut open. Take it out. All sealed bags. And we'll make a start. Do we have any tears? Doesn't make any difference because sometimes I'm as weak as a kitten. Right, blah blah blah, 2008. Oh, Johnson's Dictionary. I think that was the first finder last week as well. I could be wrong, but it's the first finder this week. Blah blah blah, low mintage, NIFCs. You've heard it all before. I'm going to miss it this week. I'll do it every couple of weeks, I think. You've all heard it on other people's channels, you've heard it on this time many times before. Basically, we're looking for picture coins. I will go through these afterwards, like just double checking everything for the NIFCs and anything else I might have missed. And the Johnson's Dictionaries. 2 for 2. First bag as well, that's unusual. Normally don't find anything in the first bag. Right, so you know what I'm looking for. Keep my mouth shut. And we'll do a bit of fist parfait here. We'll do a bit of fast forwarding, put a bit of music in, and we'll stop when we find something nice. Queen 70th Platinum Platinum Jubilee. Most of them will be going back into circulation now we've had the vintage figures. Christopher Ironside. 2013. And why did these end up back in circulation? Never mind. Well, we're off to a very good start, are we? Cracking first bag, as in I've got 2 pints in it. Slowly going down now. Oh, we've got Paddington. Paddington at the tower. Ah. I think the only way I'm going to get any look out of these seal bags, Birmingham bags, is change my name to Sunderland Coin Hunts. He always seems to have a look out of them. Never mind. Another Johnson's Dictionaries. 3 this week. Ah, Paper Act. There's a Queen's Memorial coin. Neely's just got the wrong, really the one little box with Charles on it. And Benjamin Bunny. Do we get ourselves a rotation error? We'll look like up first. No. Want the sound release. Ooh, EU stars. In nice condition as well. In very nice condition. That might go in my keeper's box. Oh. Is that a proof? That could be proof, that, you know. Nice sharp edges on it. Oh, we'll look further into that one. I mean, it might be my eyes, but that looks like a proof coin. Tell me what you think in the comments. And another Christopher Ironside. Ooh, dog on a bog. Excuse me, shouldn't eat drink energy drinks. Taylor Gloucester. Again, nice find, but I won't be keeping it. I'm going to keep so many, and I've got my quota. (2017). Michelle. Ah. My feeble eyes spotted it. So we'll keep it to one side. Won't keep it, but hey, we're seeing it. Miracles. Ah. says. Another Paddington at the palace. No, he's not. He's at the tower. It's about too often. Where we go? There he is, Mr. Paddington. Commonwealth Games, Glasgow. If it had been that way, I wouldn't have noticed. But that's your best of the Kew Gardens and the WWF. So, don't get fooled by it. Platinum Jubilee. Second one today. Excuse me for sneezing on camera, but I did it the other week and I paused the video and the next coin out was a triathlon and it looked really fixed. So you're getting everything this time. Sneeze, coughs, farts, the lot, you're going to get them. I'm not editing them out. I do apologise. That's why I better tell you when we energy drink and I shouldn't have. I call this video What's and All. Ah, 28 days paper act again. A couple last week, a couple this week as well. Paper act again, paper act again. There it is. Twenty 2020. Diversity Bill Britain. Haven't had one of them this week, have we? Nope. Ah. Public libraries. 2000. Speaking of them, we're starting to get a few up. Oh, didn't see that one. A Pride coin. So if you need me sniffing every now and again, even though the fast mold's in, it'll be noticeable. Because I'm not stopping. I don't know why I'm sniffing anyway. Another one, look. Another tug in the bag. You know, I might keep them. Put them to one side. Put them in a money box and save them up. Another Platinum Jubilee. Now I've been talking about keeping the low tier keepers in a box. And when I get enough money, I want to buy myself a sovereign. Another Johnson's Dictionaries. Quite a few of them today. Tab 4. Sometimes they just struggle to find where it's is. Yeah, there it goes. Look. Nope, it's not. I can fold this out there. Nothing new there. Another paper act. Another paper act. Yep, there it goes. Ooh, cherry. And here we go, Jersey. Yep, 1997, most common year. Another Christopher Ironside. It's 3 this week. Yeah, we're at the last bag. The last bag. Can we open this one up? I'm not going to. We'll get into it sooner or later. So there we go. See what we get. But so far we've got a territory that I'll keep. But that's EU Stars I want to have another look at. Keep it because it's in cracking condition. Even if it's not a proof. Ah, we've got a Mrs. Tiddlywinkle look. Mrs. Tiddlewinks. Yeah. Our last bag look, Mrs. Tiddlywinks. And that is that. So what we've got, Jersey, 2 dogs, and a very tidy looking EU Stars. Does that look proof to you? Oh, wait and see. Alright everyone, take care, stay safe, and we'll catch you next week. Bye bye now.